Welcome to the Virtuleap Client Dashboard and Administrative Panel demo, a comprehensive platform that allows our clients, such as senior living communities, clinics, schools, and corporations, to be able to monitor and manage the cognitive training performance of their users, as well as leverage the rich data opportunities available both on an aggregate and individual level. I'm currently logging in as a super admin and briefly running through some of the core features and capabilities that the tool offers. As you can see, after logging in, I'm redirected to the main dashboard. The items displayed here can differ from one access level to the other. We offer an overall collection of the most important information and key data points required, helping you get a quick understanding of everything you need to know on a daily basis at a glance. The items on the side navigation also display according to the roles and permissions of each individual user. While our admin panel offers a simple dashboard and a variety of visual charts, we also provide an open API to our clients, where their data can be passed on to third-party dashboarding and analytics software, so that they can benefit from creating advanced analytics that meet their objectives. In addition, our API is designed to integrate with external hardware that offers additional sensory inputs such as EEG, eye tracking, and haptics. A complete documentation is available at docs.virtuleap.com, containing instructions on how to effectively use and integrate with our API. As a final display of the power of Virtuleap Admin Panel, we will go through the information gathered from an individual user. Once again, we start by offering a visual dashboard that includes data on the following key elements of a single account. How active has the user been over a period of 7 or 30 days? What is the overall index score of that user? Which cognitive areas do they demonstrate higher aptitude, and which areas do they require more training? The radar or spider web chart is at the heart of our vision in offering assessment and training tools that allow our clients to understand the current capability of their users and the cognitive areas that need to be developed in order for each individual to function in a more wholesome and balanced way. Scrolling down, we can get a full bio of who the user is. Below that, we will be able to see a list of different data points related to the user. We begin with the mood section, which lists all of the times the user has mentioned their state of mind at the time of playing their daily training program, as well as the number of hours they slept on that day. The activities shows important actions made by the user in the app. These could include timestamps on when they logged in, logged out, or generated an error, which in turn provides better insights on user interaction in the application. You can now see the session section. The session is a gameplay, a metric that informs us when and what game the user played, capturing hundreds of moments during the game session, all of which are important data points related to their individual performance. For example, if we look at the memory wall game, we can track each interaction made by the user and whether they correctly selected the right boxes or not. This type of data point, when accumulated in the context of big data sets, will be essential for the future applications planned on our roadmap, such as the implementation of machine learning for the purpose of generating predictive analytics based on aggregate gameplay patterns, which would potentially serve as a digital health marker for the early detection of cognitive illnesses, such as Alzheimer's and dementia. The sessions are followed by a list of cognitive training workouts that have been completed by the user, which allow us to track frequency. Next, we see the current level the user has reached for each game, along with their index score, which is an objective measure of their performance for each cognitive area and category. Lastly, the section ends displaying all designated roles and permissions associated with this user. As part of the roadmap, we will be working on developing more advanced reports and comparison tools in order to continuously expand on the core features and capabilities offered by our client dashboard and administrative panel. This was a brief overview of what the Virtuleap platform has to offer our clients, who we are committed in providing with all of the tools and resources required in order to maximize the cognitive benefits that our suite of VR brain training games have to offer to their members. Thank you.